Samsung is preparing for the grand launch of the upcoming S24 series on 17th of January 2024. Initial leaks hinted at the regular Galaxy S24 potentially utilizing either an Exynos 2400 chipset or a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, contingent on the region. However, a fresh leak now suggests that the standard model will indeed house the Exynos 2400 processor across global markets. Earlier in the year, all models within the Galaxy S23 range debuted, featuring a customized Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to operate on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all markets. Renowned tipster Wegeta Gaming leaked the specifications of the upcoming Galaxy S24 via a promotional chart on X, formerly Twitter. According to the disclosure, the Exynos 2400 chip will power the Galaxy S24 in every country except the US and Canada. Instead, the handset is set to run on a modified version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, labeled as Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset for Galaxy in these regions. Contrarily, both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Plus are expected to house the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, featuring overclocked CPU and GPU cores across all markets. Reports suggest that Samsung's Galaxy S24 series will debut running Android 14-based One UI 6.1 and boasts AMOLED LTPO displays offering variable refresh rates spanning up to 120 Hz. The Galaxy S24 is rumored to sport a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus panel, while the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra may house 6.7-inch and 6.8-inch QHD Plus panels, respectively. The Ultra variant is reported to feature a 200-megapixel quad-camera setup, while the standard models could incorporate a 50-megapixel triple-camera unit. In terms of battery, the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra could potentially feature 4,900 MHz and 5,000 MHz batteries, respectively. Do you think Exynos can match the Snapdragon chipset performance? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.